हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। स्वागत है MLT MCQ टेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल पर। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों की तैयारी बेहतर चल रही होगी। हम लोग लगातार पढ़ रहे हैं 20 क्वेश्चनों का सीरीज। स्टार्ट करने से पहले लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और दोस्तों को शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का अपना पहला क्वेश्चन। टू प्रिपेयर 100 ml of 2 million sodium chloride solution. The weight of sodium chloride needed is option A 5.85 gram, B 11 to 7 gram, C 58 to 5 gram, D 1 to 17 gram. Answer B 11 to 7 gram. Next question. The molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is option A 40, B 50, C 60, D 70. Answer A 40. Next question. In respiratory acidosis, the primary change is option A deficit of carbonic acid, B excess of carbonic acid, C deficit of bicarbonate, D excess of bicarbonate. Answer B excess of carbonic acid. Next question. Maltose is a option A monosaccharide, B polysaccharide, C tetrasaccharide, D disaccharide. Answer D disaccharide. Next question. The normal fasting blood glucose range in plasma is option A 80 to 100 mg per dl, B 90 to 120 mg per dl, C 90 to 140 mg per dl, D 100 to 150 mg per dl. Answer A 80 to 100 mg per dl. Next question. Dash reveals the mean glucose value over the previous 10 to 12 weeks. Option A HbA 1b, B myoglobin, C HbA 1a, D HbA1c. Answer D HbA1c. Next question. Which of the following is false with respect to the advantage of HbA1c? Option A. The test is done only when the patient is in fasting. B. Better index for predicting complication. C. Reflect long-term glucose control. D. Fasting sample is not required and can be done at any time. Answer A. The test is done only when the patient is in fasting. Next question. The plane passing vertically through the midline of the body, dividing the body into right and left halves, is called as the dash plane. Option A median, B paramedian, C coronal, D frontal. Answer A median. Next question. The elbow joint is a joint. Option A ball and socket, B sandal, C hinge, D pivot. Answer C hinge. Next question. The duct of Wirsung is a dash. Option A bile, B thoracis, C common pancreatic, D common hepatic. Answer C common pancreatic. Next question. The ninth cranial nerve is a dash nerve. Option A facial, B trigeminal, C hypoglossal, D glossopharyngeal. Answer D glossopharyngeal. Next question. The left atrioventricular orifice is guarded by the dash valve. Option A tricapsid, B aortic, C pulmonary, D mitral. Answer D mitral. Next question. Nerve supply for the diaphragm is through the dash nerve. Option A phrenic, B pulmonary, C vagus, D laryngeal. Answer A phrenic. Next question. The gate control theory is used to explain about dash. Option A muscles contraction, B urine formation, C pain suppression, D none of above. Answer C pain suppression. Next question. Vital capacity include all except. Option A tidal volume, B inspiratory reserve volume, C residual volume, D expiratory reserve volume. Answer C residual volume. Next question. The thyroid stimulating hormone TSH is secreted by. Option A posterior pituitary, B thyroid gland, C adrenal, D anterior pituitary. Answer D anterior pituitary. Next question. Heart rate dash beat per minute is called as a bradycardia. Option A less than 60, B less than 70, C more than 80, D more than 100. Answer A less than 60. Next question. The primary visual area in the occipital lobe correspond the area dash in the cerebral cortex. Option A 41 and 42, B 18, C 19, D 17. Answer D 17. Next question. Which of the following sterilization method operate by dry heat? Option A autoclave, B tyndallization, C hot air oven, D inspiration. Answer C hot air oven. Next question. Autoclave work at the temperature of. Option A less than 100 degrees Celsius, B more than 100 degrees Celsius, C 800 degrees Celsius, D less than 60 degrees Celsius. Answer B more than 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस। दोस्तों यहीं तक थी आज की क्लास, फिर मिलते हैं कल 8 बजे नए क्वेश्चनों के साथ। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा। जय हिंद।